Hello, and don't mind any of this because that's what we're learning today. Um, Today, since I'm bored and we haven't done a video in a while, I decided to post a video of variables since that's what you use most of the time. So you're just going to want to make another class called var, and then you're going to want to type in this code. Now, for an int is equal to, let's say, a number, so any number you type in, that's what it stores as. So int pizza, or no, actually do it num, is equal to 9,000, or no, let's just set it to 15. Since we have that number, it stores that that is the name of a number, and then it should say 15, and this is a global variable, which means that everything can access it. If we put a public, then it can be accessed by many different classes. Now, we won't get into the public things. We'll do that in another video when I explain something else. But for now, we'll just start out with ints and stuff, since it's a nice thing to know. Next, we're going to try something called a string. Sorry for typing absolutely horribly. Now, in this string, we'll set it as chores. No, saying. And the saying is equal to anything that is printed as a statement, let's say. So, hello world. Next thing we'll write is something called, Boolean. Now, Boolean is basically like a logic operator, which holds true or false variables, which is a very great thing when you're doing loops and other things. But for now, we won't talk about that. I'll show you an if and else statement after this. So yeah. So this Boolean, what will happen is we'll set it to chores, since that's what I did, is equal to true. And once this is equal to true, that'll set it that this line of code is equal to true, and whenever we access that variable, it would equal to true. And what I mean by accessing it is that I'm going like chores is equal to, no, I don't like doing that, is equal to. By the way, if you ever learn something that's like you should totally do 3 things, the only time you should probably do that is if you're working with other people, and then that's when you should probably use it. But other than that, I find doing 3 of these in JavaScript, like you have to do 3 of these, is just obnoxious and annoying. So, since chores, what's wrong? Syntax error. And forget about that. So we're going to put, no, you're going to want to type in that, which this will print out the number since we put it through the parentheses. And when you want to access a variable, you're going to want to type something and then type in the name. For this, we typed in chores and we set it equal to true. And that worked. Now this is going to be printing out the number, and you can do it with booleans, except you have to do something like return in JavaScript. I don't know if you have to do it in Java. Just forget about it. And this, while I edit it real quickly, sane. Okay, I really am getting annoyed by this. I was saying this is wrong. Syntax error on token. Then frickin' fix it. Expected Boolean. Let me set this to something else. Done. Let's try and print this out and see what happens. Public static main method not found in class client.var. Please define the main method as Fine. Oh. Sorry. We forgot to put in this. I deleted everything, so I accidentally delete this, and I forgot. Silly me. Don't ever make this mistake when you're doing this, or else it just makes you feel, I don't know, stupid, let's just say. Although I don't want to use that word. Let's just say, I don't know, makes you feel unaccomplished or something else. Anyway, since we fixed that and we have this, it should run now. As we see, we get hello world from putting in the sane variable into this, and we get 15 from putting in the num and that. Thank you for watching this video. I want to keep all these lessons pretty short. Goodbye, and I will probably bring you another video actually like right after this, or maybe, I don't know, in a week or something. Bye.